We're going to do a short video today to show you how to reassemble the nozzle cap from our 85 milliliter sublimation bottle that we sell. So you're going to have four parts of the main nozzle cap. There's the nozzle cap itself. There's the little foam washer that goes into the nozzle cap to keep the bottle from leaking. And then there's a two-part assembly of the ink flow control that will snap into this nozzle cap. That's what we're going to show you how to put all this together. So what you're going to need is simply a Sharpie and these four pieces. All right, so we'll start with these two pieces here of the ink flow controller. And they're very similar in shape. So that's exactly how they're going to go together. Just going to push that in there. All right. Then we're going to turn this upside down to where it has the flange up. We're actually going to balance this on a Sharpie, and we're going to put this nozzle cap down over it and feed it all the way up into that channel. So now it's in that channel, if you can see it. We're just going to give it a slight push, and it's going to lock into place. Make sure that that piece is locked into place on your caps before you go filling your printer. Otherwise, you can cause a huge mess. So then we're done with that, and then this foam ring just sits down into here, and you can push it in with your finger to make sure it's seated in there. It doesn't really lock into place, it just sits in there. So then you'll be able to put this back on your bottle, and this should function properly. Test it over a trash can or something to where if you get ink coming out, that it's not going to mess something up. So that's our video for today.